How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up Logitech G29 on PC for the Euro Truck Simulator 2. So first things first, you want to navigate through your library and then just look for the Euro Truck Simulator. In my case, I'm going to be using this game as an example only. Right click on the Euro Truck Simulator, click on Properties, navigate through Controller, and just make sure that you disable Steam input because we have another input for our Logitech steering controller. From there, you then want to head over to the Logitech G Hub. You can just search this up on Google, download the official application in order to simply update the drivers for our controller or for our wheel in order to use it properly for our game. And now the last thing that you want to do is to just head over to the controller right here. Of course, if you're doing this, you just want to make sure that the controller is already connected onto your computer. And then at the top of the controller, there's going to be the modes right here. There's going to be something like the PlayStation mode or the PC mode. You can just go ahead and toggle the switch and see what works on your specific device. So just toggle the switch right here. Head over to the Euro Truck Simulator game, and then you want to change the controls into the Logitech steering wheel, and from there everything will fall into place. You could calibrate your controller, you could set it up manually onto the Euro Truck Simulator game, and simply from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.